A very good afternoon. I am Sanvi Sagi from Grade 12. Sometimes the things we never plan turn out to be the best journeys. That's exactly what this AI summer camp was for me. It started with curiosity and turned into something way, way bigger than I expected. The first question was what did I create during the camp? I got to make some really cool stuff during the camp. And my favorite was this game that I created called Mindswap. It's a two-player game where each player controls the other person's screen. So you really have to communicate and work together to get through it. It was a little confusing at first, but in the best way possible. And it was completely original, which made me super proud. Then I got to create music using Suno. I actually wrote the lyrics, added a melody, and turned my own song idea into something real. It felt like the AI was turning my thoughts into a sound. It was honestly wild. I also played around with AI image tools. I made cover photos for my projects and cool game designs. Stuff I never thought I could do by myself. And of course, that was lovable. I used it to build a quiz and a prototype for my school website. It made me feel like a real creator. Everything I made felt like it had a little piece of me in it. Now, what did I enjoy the most? Definitely the creating part. I loved taking an idea that was in my head and watching it come to life through means of a song, a game, or even just a simple image. I think the game making part was my favorite. There's something really fun about, building a world that works because of you. But even beyond that, I loved how different this kind of learning felt. Like how it is in schools, just theory or notes. This was the best part of it, real life application. It was hands on. And every single day, I was so excited to learn something new. Now, what did I learn about AI? First, to start off with, so much. First, AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to help us. It makes our ideas stronger, clever, and sometimes even more fun. I learned how important it is to give good prompts. The way you talk to the AI really shapes what it gives back. And one of the things that I learned during the camp is how to give prompts. That made me realize how powerful clear communication is. And I also realized that AI learns like we do through feedback and examples, neural connections of the human brain that I also learned during the summer camp. That made me see myself differently too, as someone who's still learning and growing. My favorite discovery: AI can help you do anything: make music, design art, build games, write poetry, all in a few clicks. It's like a creative buddy that's always there when you need it. Now, how will this help me in the future? Honestly, this experience has changed how I look at the future. I'm someone who loves leading, writing, creating. Now I know I can use AI to bring all those things together. Whether it's starting a new project, designing something for school, or even helping at my mom's school, I'll know how to use these tools to make things better, smarter, and more creative. In the future, I'd love to build something meaningful, like maybe an AI that helps people feel less alone, something for mental health or emotional learning, something that connects people. And in the short term, AI is already helping me work better, think clearer, and express myself better. That's something I'll carry with me in college and way beyond. My advice to other students: here's what I'd like to say to all my juniors thinking about learning AI. You don't need to be super techie, you just need to be curious. Don't be afraid to try new things. Ask questions. It's okay if you get it wrong. Fail. That's completely fine. That's where the best learning happens. Start small, have fun, and the most important thing that I can say, just keep creating. AI isn't about copying. It's about adding your voice, your heart, your ideas, and letting AI help you make them bigger. If I could tell you one thing, you've got something amazing to share with the world. AI is just helping you to do that louder, helping you find your voice. Now, I'd like to end it by saying, this camp wasn't just an assignment for me, it was a journey. I've come out of it feeling more confident, more creative, and honestly more me.